Today, I just put more food in the bird feeder because I just bought this bird feeder, and well, and 3 days later it was emptied in the mug. So I just refilled it, and all of a sudden we started seeing all these birds flying all over, like on top of it and stuff like that. They hadn't really gone to the food yet, because I think they know that we sit here watching them. But I'm like, shoot, I'm paying for your ass to eat. I'm gonna watch your ass eat. Get your ass over here. And they just, you can see them all like flying by. You see that green feeder right there? Has a whole bunch of goodies in it for the birdies. And they just started flying. Oh look, but there's like 3 of them on the ground. So me and my brother are out here observing the bird feeder. Look at all them flying. They're all trying to be like, yeah, the food's back, y'all.
You got one laying right there in the bottle?
Yeah. So I just figured I'd videotape the surroundings. And I will pause it right